Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Geography Group. This is the first episode of class 10 social science. As you know that in social science we have the four subjects: history, geography, political science and economics. We are going to begin with the geography chapter number 1, resources and development. If you want to score above 90% in your class 10th board examination, your target in social science must be 95 plus. It is very scoring subject. This is the subject to understand, not to cram, as we do in the maths and sometimes we do in the English or in the science too. We cram the formulas, but this thing is not there in the social science. If we try to cram, it become quite difficult one. कई बार आपने सुना होगा स्टूडेंट्स सेइंग दैट बोरिंग है सोशल साइंस. बोरिंग कब होती है? When we try to cram the facts. If we try to understand these things, because these are the associated with our day to day life, हमारी जो day to day life है उससे जुड़ी हुई चीज़ें होती है, it become quite interesting one. Second thing, most of the chapters in your class 10th geography are those you have already done in class 8th. So nothing new is there in your class 10th geography. Third thing, class 10th geography covers all the basic terms which are there in our surroundings. And these are the base of our, we can say that your further study or our GK2. Okay, so we are going to begin our first episode. First of all, we will discuss what is resource. What is resource? Look around. What is visible to you? You can see cell phone, that is there in your hand, earphone, bed sheet, chair, clock, books, curtain, pen, room, almirah, table, your school bag, fan, etc. Everything that is visible to you while sitting in your classroom, while sitting at home is a resource. Yes, everything is a resource that is available in your home, available at your classroom. आपके क्लासरूम में जो भी दिख रहा है आपको वो सब कुछ रिसोर्स है. जो भी आपको यहाँ से अब दिखाई दे रहा है, दैट इज रिसोर्स. सो व्हाट इज रिसोर्स? इफ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डेफिनेशन, एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल इन आवर एनवायरनमेंट विच कैन बी यूज्ड टू सेटिस्फाई आवर नीड्स इज a resource. Everything that is available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs or which can be used to fulfill our needs is a resource. Your books, these are usable to us. Yes, that is a resource. Your cell phone we are using, this one is a resource. But anything that is not usable to us is not a resource. We can take the example of coal. Earlier, before the invention of steam engine, coal was not usable. उसका यूज नहीं होता था, वो एक पत्थर का टुकड़ा था. When it became resource after the invention of the steam engine. So when anything become usable to us, when anything can satisfy our needs, that thing become resource. Okay, so resource means everything that is usable to us, जो हमारे काम आ सकती है, कोई भी वस्तु वो एक रिसोर्स होती है. रिसोर्स must have the three features. It should be technologically accessible. To make the thing usable, we must have the technology. If we don't have the technology, that thing we can't use, and if we can't use, that is not a resource. Second, economically feasible. It must be profitable. For example, in ocean waters that have the gold. But if we take out the gold from the ocean water, that is quite expensive and that is not the profitable, because the amount of the gold is not the gold in ocean is not in large amount. Third thing, culturally acceptable. It should be acceptable by the society. It means that if the society is not accepting anything, that is not a resource. So everything that is usable to us, everything that can satisfy our needs, everything that can fulfill human beings' need is a resource. Examples, you can give the examples which is visible to you right now, which is visible in your classroom. These are the resources. Okay. Resource can be classified broadly into three categories. We can classify the resources into three categories. तीन categories में हम इनको classify कर सकते हैं. Three categories. First one is natural resources. Natural resources are those resources which are provided by the nature. Example are there: sunlight and air, natural resources. Rocks, minerals, these are two the natural resources. Plants, water, natural resources. Soil, animals, these all are the natural resources because these are the gift of the nature. Second category is the man-made resources. Man-made resources which are visible here on your screen. You can see building. Is it usable? Yes, it is usable, but it is not a natural resource. This is man-made resources. Vehicles, man-made resources. Ornaments, these are the not the natural resources, these are the man-made resources. Glasses, TV, car, everything that are made by the human beings are known as man-made resources. Third, resources, broadly we can classify the resources into three groups: natural resources, man-made resources, and the third one is the human resources. We too are the resources. Yes, as you have discussed in the class 9th chapter number 2, human as resources, मानव, पीपल एज रिसोर्सेज, लोग संसाधन के रूप में हमने डिस्कस किया था दैट वी टू आर द रिसोर्सेज एंड वी आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज बिकॉज अदर थिंग्स नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कांट बी यूज्ड बाय दमसेल्फ. अपने आप काम नहीं आ सकता, ये नहीं होगा कि अपने आप ही एग्रीकल्चर होगी, अपने आप ही कुछ कार्य होगा. सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्सेज बिकॉज वी मैनेज ऑल अदर रिसोर्सेज and we make them even more usable, more profitable. So resources, let's recapitulate. Resources means everything that is usable to us, everything that can fulfill our needs is a resource. Okay, and broadly resources can be classified into three categories: natural resources, second man-made resources, and third one is the human resources. So in today's session we discussed about the what is resource, and second thing we discussed about the broadly how we can classify these resources. This is a project prepared by a student. You can check here natural resources, and on the other side there is a man-made resources. So that's all in this session, today's session. In the next session we are going to discuss about the classification of the resources on the various bases. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.